In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown code to ActiveCampaign. Adding a countdown timer to your emails is a simple but powerful way to build urgency, highlight deadlines, or promote limited time offers. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through adding your countdown embed code into an email campaign inside ActiveCampaign, so it displays correctly for your subscribers. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From here, click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, including drafts, scheduled emails, and those that have already been sent. Next, find the campaign where you want to add the countdown timer. This might be a promotional email, a webinar reminder, or a cart closing sequence. Click on the campaign name to open the email designer. This will load the visual editor where you can change your layout, text, images, and other elements. Once the designer is open, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see the main editor toolbar that contains different content blocks you can add to your email. Click on Content to expand that section if it's not already open. This is where you'll find the block we need. Scroll through the available blocks until you see the HTML block. This block lets you paste in custom code, which is exactly what we'll use for the countdown. Click and drag the HTML block into your email layout. Drop it in the section where you want the countdown to appear, whether that's near the top of the email or just above your call to action button. Once the HTML block is in place, click directly inside that new block. This opens the HTML editor, which will look like a simple text area. Now go to your countdown provider, copy the countdown embed code they've given you, and then come back to ActiveCampaign. Paste that countdown embed code into the HTML editor text area. Make sure you paste the entire snippet without changing anything so it works correctly. When you're done pasting the code, click Save or click the checkmark icon if that's what you see in your editor. This confirms your changes and updates the email with the new countdown block. From here, you can use the email preview or send a test email to yourself to confirm the countdown displays properly. If everything looks good, you're ready to schedule or send your campaign with a fully functional countdown timer.